Hello, welcome to MBK Study. In this video, we are going to discuss introduction to heat and temperature. What is heat? What is temperature? So students, without any delay, let's start the topic. Introduction. Recall the experiments you did in lower classes. Take some cold water, lukewarm water and hot water in 3 different vessels. Immerse your left hand finger in cold water and right hand finger in hot water vessel simultaneously. Wait for 2 or 3 minutes. Take off both your fingers and dip them in the lukewarm water vessel. Though both fingers are in the same glass, that is lukewarm water, one finger we feel it cold, another we feel it hot. Look how our fingers are confused. Hotness and coldness are relative to the observer. If he places cold water, he feels hot in lukewarm, and if he places a hot finger, he feels cold in lukewarm water. By this, we understood that hot and cold are relative terms. We use terms temperature and heat to describe these observations. These observations technically have special meaning. In order to understand their meaning, let's do some activities. Let us know what is heat. Take 2 vessels, fill one of them with hot water and another with cold water. Now take a laboratory thermometer, observe the mercury level in it and note the readings. Let it be 30 degrees Celsius. Keep the thermometer in hot water. When you keep the thermometer in hot water, the mercury level rises because the energy got transferred from hotter body, that is hot water, to colder body, that is thermometer. Observe the readings of the thermometer and note it. Let it be 80 degrees Celsius. Now place the same thermometer in cold water. The mercury level comes down because transfer of energy from hot body, that is mercury, to colder body, that is water. Observe the changes in the mercury level. Note the reading. Let it be 20 degrees Celsius. Here energy is nothing but heat. The energy which is transferring from hotter body to colder body is called heat. Heat can be defined as heat is a form of energy in transit that flows from a body at higher temperature to a body at lower temperature. Let us understand what is temperature. Take a piece of wood and a piece of metal. Keep them in a fridge or ice box. After 15 minutes, take them out. And ask your friend to touch them. Now tell me which is colder. Of course, metal piece is colder than the wooden piece. When we touch them, the energy is being transferred from your finger to the piece. More heat energy flows out of your body when you touch the metal piece as compared to the wooden piece. That means degree of coldness of metal piece is greater than that of wooden piece. So degree of coldness is nothing but temperature. In the same way, if you bring the finger near the candle flame, or when you touch a cup of tea, what do you feel? Which is hotter? Yes, flame is hotter. When you touch them, the heat energy is being transferred from flame to finger. It is transferring from flame to finger. More heat energy enters your body when you touch the flame as compared to the cup of tea. That means degree of hotness of flame is greater than that of cup of tea. Here also, the degree of hotness is nothing but temperature. Now we can define temperature as degree of hotness or degree of coldness. The degree of coldness or hotness, we are calling it as temperature. So students, you must have liked this video. If so, please like this video and share it with all your friends. Tell us how you like this video by writing it in the comment box. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any of the videos that follow. Thank you.